Nyasa Express Airlines has confirmed that their Cessna C210 aircraft, with registration number 7QPFU, has crashed into Lake Malawi in Nkhotakota. In a statement signed by Ms. Bridget Sefu, the company, which arranges flights based on customer preferences, said the plane had taken off from Tongole Airstrip at Nkhotakota Wildlife Reserve, heading to Liwonde National Park in Machinga District. The plane had 2 passengers and 1 pilot on board. One of the passengers has been found and was able to walk on their own, but they have been taken to the hospital for further medical checks, said Sefu. She added that the plane has not yet been located, and search operations are currently underway. This type of aircraft typically carries 6 people and matches the description of the one in question. Earlier in the evening, Minister of Information Moses Kunkuyu confirmed the missing plane and stated that the survivor is from the Netherlands. Subscribe to Amuna Miso TV channel to stay informed as we bring you more details on this developing story and other breaking news from Malawi.